I challenge you to find what is perfectly in season and ripe, and then just slice it, taste it, and serve it. Recipes are a framework, but the most important thing is the ingredient. Where you find it, how you cook it, and how you will turn it into a beautiful meal. I want you to know what food is really alive and seasonal. This is a kind of cooking that nourishes the body and the soul. I want to show you how to buy food in a farmer's market. Talk directly to the people who grow your food. Go to the market before you decide what to cook. That will free you from an overdependence on recipes. Because if you start with really good ingredients, you don't have to do much to them. This is the philosophy of food that we serve at Chez Panisse and the food that I cook at home. We're trying to figure out the best way to serve it and not get in the way of the real taste of that food. You can never think about food in the way you may have thought about it in the past. It's about how to use every part of an ingredient very, very simply. That's the beautiful thing about this delicious revolution. The closer that we get to the source of our food, the better it is for us and for this planet. I'm Alice Waters, and this is my MasterClass.